LinkedIn's objectives. There are no limitations as to who can join LinkedIn. However, only a small number of its users are able to use the site to its highest potential. But what exactly is LinkedIn meant to be? In this section, we will be looking at the purpose and objective of LinkedIn and how you can use this platform to your professional advantage. 1. To help you establish a professional profile online. LinkedIn is similar to a curriculum vitae in the sense that you will be able to showcase your professional experiences, skills, and background. The main differences are that with LinkedIn, your page can be searched for on Google, and your profile can be visible to millions of other users. A lot of businesses are turning to the internet when searching for suppliers or employees to fulfill their corporate or professional needs. Having a LinkedIn profile will give you a definite advantage to potential employers because they can simply search for you online and they will be able to see a comprehensive page on the site with all the information that they need to know about you. 2. To keep you in touch with your colleagues and friends in the business. The nature of business and employment is always in flux. Most professionals jump from one company to another, while some meet hundreds of people per year due to the nature of their jobs. LinkedIn makes it possible and easy for you to connect with old coworkers, new contacts, and suppliers within the site. You will be able to see their updated contact information, new projects, professional updates, and more. 3. To give you a place where you can exchange ideas or find expert opinions. LinkedIn is no longer just a professional networking site. It has become a community where all the members from all over the world can participate and share ideas or let their opinions be known. If you are in need of expert advice, you will be able to easily find one or 100 whom you can send a message to or contact directly. If you run out of ideas for your latest business project, you can use LinkedIn's features to connect with your network or a wider community for an impromptu brainstorming. 4. To expand your employment and/or business opportunities. LinkedIn makes it easy for its members to find their professional needs, whether it's better employment opportunities, new clients, or potential investors. You will also be able to build a powerful professional reputation through your network and contacts. LinkedIn also has a reliable and efficient search engine tool that will help you find what you need faster and more efficiently. A lot of people take LinkedIn for granted. Not all of its members are able to utilize and take advantage of the site's features to its maximum potential. One reason for this is that they don't know just how much LinkedIn can benefit their careers and businesses. We will explore the different advantages of using LinkedIn as your professional profile and as a way to search for employment opportunities that you are qualified for.